All right, it's been about an hour and a half since I've added my baking soda. Here's my vacuum. I'm only gonna give this 3.5 out of 5 stars. You get what you pay for. Paid a little over $300 for this. It's an Aquabot pull rover. I mean, you get what you pay for. Like I said, it does okay. I'm gonna have to run this at least 2 cycles, and we're gonna take a look at what the pool looks like before with the stuff on the bottom and after to kind of see just how effective it is. Well, I got him in and you can see him rolling across the bottom. Just the cord, I got him in a little cockeyed. I'd rather he go straight across, but he's gonna work his way all the way around, bounces off a wall, comes back the other way, and changes direction a little bit. So it'll take a while. As you can see, just basically an electrical box here with the cord. The cord is a floater, which helps it from getting wrapped up around itself. So it works pretty effectively that way. Just let's go see what it looks like from a top view as far as the stuff in the bottom. I did get it running a little straighter, but basically as he bounces off walls, he'll straighten up to start going across the middle. Zoom in here, and we can see in the middle, there's quite a bit of stuff that needs to be cleared up here, right? Because the filter was running, the pump was running all night, it kind of starts pushing stuff to the middle, but just kind of getting a view from left to right. What looks to be done, and then we're gonna let this run 4 hours. Here he's gonna start working his way across the middle, I think. Run this about 4 hours and see what kind of crud is left on the bottom of the pool. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be so critical with the 3.5 out of 5 star review. This Aquabot did pretty doggone good. You can see the center of the pool is mostly clear. A little bit of residual stuff down in here, as you can probably see, right? I'm gonna run it a second time. That'll be another 2-hour cycle to see if it can clean up a little bit more, but looking pretty daggone good after the first go. And you know what? I only use this guy basically twice a year. Now in the opening, I'll run it a couple times and run it again in the fall for the closing when the water's probably still too cold to get in. But when the water's warm enough to get in, I like to use an in-pool vacuum that we'll review in the in-season maintenance video. I'm going to say 2 cycles with that pool robot did the trick. There's nothing left over. This is where there was some soot or something left over in this corner of the pool. I'm zoomed in. Oh boy, this thing is looking luscious. You can see right over here my little shark. He's the thermometer dude, and he says it's a balmy 60 degrees. The pool water is 60 degrees. So we're going to find out how quickly this raises over the next 4 days.